Hello and welcome to Moravian College's 5th Zoom tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make sure your audio and video are connected correctly and that you can see your participants. So, in order to check my audio and video and see who my participants of my meeting are, I've launched a meeting from Zoom. And I'm doing an audio only meeting, so that's why my screen looks like this. In order to check my audio, I'm going to roll my mouse over my meeting screen. And you can see how this black bar just appeared at the bottom. Now all the way on the left, I can see my audio options. So it's a symbol of this microphone here, and I can see the audio is moving up and down. And right next to that symbol is an arrow. So if I select the arrow, I'm given options of where I want audio to be pulled from my microphone and my speaker. Now, if I'm in a large meeting setting, meaning that other people are in the room with me, and we are all communicating with an online or multiple online participants, we're probably going to have something like a chat 150 to send and receive audio. So our microphone should say chat 150 and chat 150. For me, I'm one person speaking into a computer, so I'm using a headset, and that's why that's selected. If I wanted to change my audio, I would just click what I wanted, and my audio would change. Alright, if I was using video, it's the same basic concept. So there's the video, and my arrow will tell me which camera to use. So right now my only camera option is the built-in camera on the computer. But if I'm doing a large meeting with other people physically in the room with me, I might want to have an external webcam to select from so that more participants in the room can be seen by the online meeting participants. One last thing to check to make sure that your audio is running smoothly, because you obviously want your online guests to be able to hear you clearly, is to go to your system preferences and check which audio the computer itself is using. So you'll select your Apple up in the left-hand corner, go to System Preferences, go to Sound. Now the output would be whatever device you're using. So for me it's the headset. For a larger meeting setting, it's probably going to be a chat 150. And the input is going to be the same thing. So again, for me it's the headset, but a larger group that would probably be a chat 150. And you select the correct hardware by just clicking it, and then it's selected, it saves it, and I can close. Once I know that my audio and video, if I'm using it, are being picked up correctly, I'll want to potentially see who exactly is in my meeting picking up the audio and video. So I can see my participants by rolling my mouse over my meeting screen, going down to that black bar that appears, and 3 options in, I have Manage Participants. If I click that, I get a sidebar here, and I can see all of the people who are in my meeting. So this is just an example, so that's why my meeting is so lonely, and it's just me as the host. But if I had other people in this meeting, there they would be. And if I'd no longer want to see that participant window, I'll just close it. Okay, so little lengthy of a tutorial, but that is how you check your audio, video, and who's participating in your meeting online, which are all things you're going to want to do to make sure that your Zoom meeting is successful. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to share your screen with your online participants.